Hello everyone, this is Prakhar from Smart Interviews and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we have Harshita Neeli Shetty with us, who has successfully been placed in Visa with 32.7 lakh per annum package. She has also got multiple other offers too. So we'll be discussing with her that how she has basically prepared for her interview rounds in all these tech companies and how Smart Interviews played a crucial role in her journey. So let's get started. Okay, so can you briefly introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am from Vijayawada and I'm currently pursuing in computer science branch. And I recently got placed in Visa company with 32.75 LPA package.
Okay. And were there any extra co-curricular activities or hobbies that you enjoy outside your studies?
I have been selected as a GDSC competitive programming lead, where I delivered many sessions on coding, and I also conducted various hackathons and coding competition to the juniors. And I used to play badminton in my free time in college.
Okay. And what motivated you to pursue your current field of study, and how was your cultural background and upbringing influence you?
Yeah, actually, my father is an engineer, so he guided me to get into the BTech.
Okay.
He
Okay.
motivated me.
And okay. And how was his reaction when you got into the engineering college, and what was he like? Okay, you should have done better. Like you should have gone to IITs, or was he
Yeah,
was like that,
yeah,
or
same thing
was it
happened.
something?
Same thing
Yeah,
happened
you
with
were
me
saying.
also. And I didn't
Okay.
got a good score in JEE mains, and
Mm-hmm.
but I got an edge marks. I qualified for the JEE advanced, and I took the JEE advanced as a key thing in my life, and I secured the good rank. But I didn't got IIT near my place. I got a IIT Jodhpur. So my father didn't allow me to join because it's very far. But his reaction
Okay.
is good. At least I got placed in one IIT.
Okay. That's great. That's great. And belated congratulations to get into IITs.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So, were there any challenges or obstacles you faced in your academic journey?
Yeah, actually, my BTech started in an online course, and I am not having any idea how it goes because the we all know how we will take the online classes. I used to skip all the classes, and I used to listen only one class. And after that, we came to college in second year of BTech. Then I got to understand how the things will go. We had an interaction with the seniors who got placed in top companies, and that motivated me to study further.
Okay. And how did you overcome that particular part? Because online classes are, I think it's pretty new, and for some people it was pretty jarring as well, because
Yeah.
because of the practicality of it. Because people
Hmm.
were not sure like how it will go, and like psychologically, like we are basically trained to sit in a class and study. So how was that like?
Yeah, actually, in the first year of my BTech, I got selected in the Google Women Engineers program, which is supported by Google, and it motivated me a lot because there will be online sessions from evening 7 to 9. All the students are from IITs and NITs, and they used to keep the class engaging. So it became more interesting for me to listen those classes apart from academics. In the academics, all the people used to get keep silent and no one asked out, but that classes is more special than this.
Okay. And is there any particular event or a moment in your academic journey or your time with Smart Interviews that has had a profound impact on you? If so, then please share it with us.
Yeah, actually, our college placement officer introduced us to the smart interviews in my second year. I had some knowledge on coding, but with the smart interviews, it became into then application oriented wise. Like I used to apply each and every problem in the real life scenarios, and the smart interviews introduced me to many algorithms and coding habits which I used to follow in my life, and it also helped me to crack the interview also. And I started with the brute force approach, and then I keep on building the optimized approach, and which is the best part in the interview. And analyzing the time and space complexities in detail is also very helped me in smart interviews.
That's great. That's great. And thank you for the kind words. So how was your learning experience with smart interviews? Like, how did it help you?
Yeah, it is really great, and the way of teaching is excellent, and which increased the interest in towards me to coding, and it's very interesting. And in at start, I took smart interviews very lightly, and I didn't attempted the test also till the last date. And before the last date, I paid the, like, I attempted the test and I get into the smart interviews. Now I'm feeling that is the best moment which I took ever. Yeah,
Hmm. That's
in the
so
smart interviews,
great.
yeah, like I attended many online courses, but with the smart interviews they will explain the questions in detail, and they explain the each and every data structure in detail with the real time examples. That is the best part ever. Like they explain in depth implementation of each and every data structure. That helped me a lot.
Just coming to my next question, were there any part-time jobs or internships that you been through, or how did your experience, that particular experience, contributed in your personal growth?
Like I got selected into NXP Semiconductors internship before getting the visa, and it made me to learn the how the software career will be, and it shown the glimpse how the software will be, and it helped me to get into the visa. Like some of the questions were related to that.
Okay. Are there any specific academic achievements or awards that would you like to highlight?
Yeah, in the first year itself I got selected for the Google V program, and it is of 1 lakh word scholarship, and I received 1 lakh scholarship from Google, and I'm also selected as a GDSC competitive programming lead, and I ranked top 3 among 120 plus students participants in that program. They are from various IITs and NITs, and also mentored the juniors under the smart interviews. That is the best thing ever. It increased my debugging and the communication skills, and I really thankful for the smart interviews for providing me and selecting me as a mentor for juniors. And I hope I helped many of the juniors to pursue their career, and I inculcated many good coding and programming habits.
First of all, thank you for joining smart interview, so that we'll be able to we were able to provide you the opportunity, and you were able to provide us the opportunity to help you out, and
Yeah.
in exchange, we both helped out each other. And other than that, you are still helping out your juniors and helping out other students as well, because of your growth that you have achieved, from your sheer willpower and your hard work. So that is something commendable. So I'm thank you for doing that.
Yeah.
So is your family happy with what you have achieved now, and
Yeah.
after joining smart interviews? And what was their reaction like? What was that like when you got placed?
Like they are super happy because it's a big achievement in this recession time. Many of the students are struggling to get the jobs, but I got the job. They are super happy.
That's great. That's great. And how was your father? What was his reaction?
He's like, wow, because he is working in the government office. Like all the colleagues, daughters and sons are studying in IITs and NITs. All are our parallels, so they didn't placed in any of the company. I placed first, so he's super happy.
So that's great. That's great. And he must be proud of you, and we are proud of you. So keep up with the good work, and thank you for your kind words as well. So my next question is would you recommend smart interviews to others?
Like Smart Interviews exposed me to various coding platforms. First of all, I stick to only LeetCode, but after Smart Interviews, I started attempting contests from the Codeforces, Codesavers, Pause, and many online platforms. And it not only improved my DSA, it also improved my competitive programming skills. And the way of explanation and way of teaching of the Smart Interviews is amazing, and it's very interesting for me. So I got an in-depth understanding of each and every data structure and algorithm, starting from the arrays to tries, and starting from the advanced basic data structure to advanced data structure.
Okay. So if I ask you, explain smart interviews in one word or a sentence, so what would it be?
Like it helped me a lot, and it is the turning point in my
Okay.
BTech.
Okay. Thank you, Harshita. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for doing this for us as well.
Yeah,
And all the best for your future endeavors, and really congratulations for your professional life as well.
yeah.
And like, just keep smiling. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. To enjoy more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and please let us know in the comments what other content would you like us to create. Thank you once again, and we'll see you in the next Smart Success video.